these are the materials that I'm using to make a Yabbie pump. I've got two pieces of PVC piping. One is 40mm and the other one is 25mm. I have some sandpaper, it's 120 grit. Also I've got the cloth tape. This is a gutter plug. And I've got a 25mm cap for the 25mm pipe. And also I've got a 40mm to 25mm converter. This is why I need the sandpaper, because there's a little edge inside of here that I need to sand off for this to work. Okay, come back for my next video and you'll get to see me creating a Yabbie pump. Thanks for watching. That's the pipe cut. Doesn't matter if the edge is a little bit out, I'll be able to file that down. We need to get a hole in our gutter plug. The method that can be used is you just push down, use the pipe to cut, spin it around as you go, and you'll find it'll cut down into the gutter plug. Okay, I'm basically through. My first turn, here we go. You want to break through, there we go. That can just come off now. We don't need any more of this. I'll trim this up a little bit and then I'll come back with the next step. Now I've got the gutter plug onto the 25mm. It's just a matter of taping this up. Nice and firm, around you go. Go around as many times as you like. I go around 3, 4, 5 times. Just trying to get a nice seal on that. So that's your plug on 25mm pipe. Tear a couple off. Down this way. Just like so. And then we'll put another one around that. There's our plug. I'll go on to the next step. Now that our plug is secured, we can feed that into the pipe and you can see we get a nice snug fit. So we get that suction action happening. The next thing I need to do is this 40mm converter down to 25mm. It's going to be on the other end. It's going to be on this end and our pipe feeds through it. See? But at the moment it won't feed through this converter because of this little lip that's inside here. So that's where this sandpaper comes in. We've got to get that lip off. I'm sure there's easier ways to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. And I can feel I'm slowly starting to get that edge off a bit. I've tried the pipe a couple of times, and the last time I tried, it was basically starting to make its way through here. So, oh, my arm's getting sore. Okay. If you can see inside there, the lip is pretty much gone. This is the 25mm. And this is the converter that we've just sanded down. See if it fits on here. Oh wow, look at this. That's the way it'll be actually going. Here is the 4 pieces to this Yabbie pump. Costs roughly about $35 at the most. So I'll just show you what happens here. So this goes into the pipe. And you see that's where our suction will be, up inside here. And then this cap, this converter cap goes on and it'll secure onto the 40mm pipe. Pull through the handle, put on this little end cap. I'm going to hit the wall. There you go, that's on. Now I'll be putting tape on around this and around this piece. But this is my Yabbie pump. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This floor's a bit messy today, I know. We've had lots of wind and lots of rain lately. Still raining outside right now. Hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can catch our daily experiences. Try and get something different every day. Here is the completed Yabbie pump. It's got some good suction. The handle even comes back out. So there's good suction in there. I also got another one of these 40mm to 25mm converters. Put that on the end so I can get into some smaller spaces. And the pressure in there now is really good. Wow. Oh. 35 bucks. It was fun to make. Just like to say thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel. It's difficult on YouTube, you know, to make those 4,000 hours of watch time. That's difficult. So with your support, we'll get there. Thank you very much for watching.